the difference between having a resolution, right, which is just kind of something that most people do for about 15 days until they get tired of doing it, and creating a vision for yourself is monumental. It's night and day, right? It's the difference between building this business just for you and for your payoff and building this business to help other people and have that feeling that you just can't get from anything else besides helping people. And having somebody come up to you at an event, or having somebody shoot you an email, or having somebody shoot you a Facebook message and say, Chris, Ashley, Dave, Tony, Tracy, whoever it is, what you said or what you did made a difference inside of my life. And I'll tell you, that's what keeps you coming back. That's what, when you get addicted to that feeling, is what takes you from $1,000 a month or $5,000 a month to $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, $40,000 a month. I just met Chris Record 4 months ago or whatever. We didn't know each other from Adam before that. Tracy and Tony, and of course Dave and Ash and everybody else, I knew them before that. But Chris came in, and I saw that Chris built the same way that I built. It was an unsaid thing. We just didn't need to talk about it, because I saw that what was keeping him coming back was the same thing that was keeping me coming back. Tracy, the same thing. I've seen it with Tony. I've definitely seen it with Dave, because I've worked closer with Dave than anybody else. But now, of course, we're forming this mastermind. And the interesting thing about Empower and what sets us apart from everything else is the fact that we are not here just for ourselves. We didn't start the company. The leaders didn't join just for themselves. They joined, and everybody got involved in Empower Network because they saw an opportunity to go out there and really help their people and give their people a community and an opportunity to really succeed for the first time. And I'm going to tell you something. The truth of the matter about this industry is it has been very difficult for a lot of people on our teams, and us also, to succeed before this. The funny thing is now people see kind of what we're doing. They're trying to figure it out. They're trying to duplicate it. They're trying to replicate it. But the thing that they can't duplicate, the thing that they can't replicate, is the vision, the feeling, the real reason behind what we're doing, and that we get things on a deeper level than what most people get. Most company owners start a company because they want to get rich themselves. And the interesting thing is that we didn't have a conversation about how we were going to make money ourselves until several months into the company, and we realized that the overhead was several $100,000 a month, and we said, this shit is expensive, right? And we were like, we need to figure out a way to bring in some company money to cover our expenses, because Dave and I were paying that out of our affiliate income. Guys, I'm gonna pass the baton here to get other thoughts on that. I also had another thing that I was thinking today, and that was, Tony, just on a side note, I thought this was hilarious. I was watching your Atlanta speech, man, and I got to tell you that was one of the funniest speeches that I've ever watched in my entire life, dude. If you have not watched that speech, you've got to go back and watch that speech, because Tony talks about probably one of the most important things that we deal with in this industry, starting off as people usually with no money who look at people who have money and say just exactly what you guys were talking about at the beginning of the conversation. I would never do that. I don't know if you remember this or not, Tony, but something that you said there was an example of how you were sitting at a light, or somebody was sitting at a light in their beat-up car, and somebody pulled up in a Mercedes, and you were like, how many people has that guy probably ripped off to be able to afford that Mercedes? What a scumbag. I would never do that. I'm totally good with my clunker because I've got my values. Guys, the difference between working here and the difference between working anywhere else that I've ever worked with a group of people before is that we think differently. And I'll tell you, you ever met somebody that just gets it? You ever met a group of people who just get it? Guys, this is that group of people who just gets it. And I'll tell you, just even the people who are sitting on this call right now, they come from all different walks of life, different races, different religious backgrounds and beliefs and value systems and all this different kind of stuff. But I'll tell you what brings us together, guys, is that we're in this for our teams, and we're in this to help people, and we've got a unified vision. And I'm going to tell you something, that if you ain't in this, and it's only $25 freaking dollars to get started, you ought to slap yourself, honestly, walk away from the computer, go get your credit card, come back, and see if you feel a little bit better, check your pulse, make sure you're still alive, and ask yourself, why in the hell am I not in this deal, and why am I not working with these people? Because the truth of the matter is, it's just different. And you know, when you get involved in something and you just feel it, you just know it's in the air, you know you're in the right place at the right time, not because somebody says something or somebody did something, because you just have that feeling. Well, guys, we've got that feeling. And those of you who are in Empower who haven't got your tickets yet to Austin, you're going to get them now, and you're going to witness what that feeling actually looks like in person. Because, guys, this is not a company anymore. This is not a group of people anymore. This is a damn revolution. This is a damn revolution. This is what a revolution looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. And we're going to be talking about this years down the road, looking back, saying, do you remember when the entire internet marketing landscape changed? Do you remember when the turning point was, when the tipping point was? And we're going to look back at the end of 2012, beginning of 2013, and this is going to be a defining moment in the industry, and a defining moment in the direct sales industry. And guys, you have the opportunity to be a part of that revolution. A lot of people throw around those phrases, once in a lifetime opportunity. Guys, most of the time it's a bunch of bullshit. This is a once in a freaking lifetime opportunity to be a part of a damn revolution, guys. And this is basically your cordial invitation to join us. So if you ain't in, click the button below this video and get in. And I'm going to tell you one other thing. We're going to be doing some special stuff for people who are all in at the event in Austin. You want to be all in for lots of reasons.